This is my drawing of the Armor King from Tekken, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. We're going to begin today's lesson in the center page and add that fold in between the eyes. So let's start right in the middle. Start with a point. Now I want to bend this up and then out towards the left, and then from the center go up and out towards the right. Now let's fold in the brow. On the left side, curve this in and then up, and then do the exact same thing on the right. Now I'm going to work our way across the top edge of the brow. So back on left, I'm just going to round this out, curve this up, and then over on the right side, we're going to go a little bit higher. We're going to go all the way up and then in. Let's step down on the left side, tuck the brow in underneath, and then do the exact same thing on the right. Now underneath the brow, we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. We're going to start on the left, go all the way around, tuck that up underneath, and then we're going to line that up on the right side. In the center, we're going to draw two small black dots for the pupils. From the outside of the brow, let's step in, curve this down, and then in towards the bottom of the pupils. And we'll fill this top area in black. Let's go back to the inside of the eyes. We're going to add another fold, coming in and then down. Now from the center, let's step all the way down. Start with a point in the center of the nose. Now we want to curve this up and then out towards the left, and then the right side. Let's step up, round up the side of the nose, and then pull that in. And then from here, bend this in and then down toward the center point. Let's add in the nostrils. We're going to add a curve on either side, and then we'll fill those in black. Let's draw a short line coming down towards the center of the mouth. Now we're going to go back up to the side and draw in the muzzle. So let's start on the left. We're going to go all the way around, come down. Now I want to pull that in towards that bottom of that center line, and then do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to go all the way around, come down, and then bend that up. Let's add another fold from this point, bend this up and then out just underneath the eyes. Let's add in those large fangs. Starting on the left, bend this down and in, and taper that back up towards the top. And then we're going to line this up on the right, coming down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add those smaller teeth in the center. Starting on the left, we're going to draw 3 small teeth going up toward the middle, and then 3 coming down towards the right. Now I want to add those spots from the outside of the muzzle coming in. So on the left side, I'm going to draw a black spot. Now we're going to add 3 more as they come in, but we're going to go smaller towards the inside. Let's line that up on the right. Start with that larger circle, and then go smaller as they come in. Let's move up and do that again, but we're going to come down in a slight angle. And then from the bottom, do the same thing, and we're going to go up. Let's go back over towards the right eye. We're going to add that scar from the top of this line, tape that down towards the eye. Let's add a scar coming down, coming around, and then back up. Now from here, we're going to work our way around the outside of the head. Let's start from the bottom of the muzzle, goes around, and then in. And then we're going to add some fur. Stepping back, going up and in towards the side of the head. Let's separate the fur, coming down, pull this up and in. Now from the top of the fur, we're going to curve the head going up, and then bend that in towards the base of the ear, and do the exact same thing on the right, going up and then in toward the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw the inside edge of the ears. Starting on the left, we're going to go up and then out. Let's round up the ear, come down, and then in towards the side of the head. Now from the outside of the ear, we're going to step in and draw that same curve. Let's go up to the tip of the ear. We're going to bend this down and then in. And then we'll layer the top of the head in behind the ears. So we're going to step up, curve this up, and then down. Let's enhance the brow, leaving a gap in the center. Over on the left side, we're going to bend this up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Let's move back down and open up the mouth. We're going to start from this point, cut this in and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now we'll round out the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then back up. Let's draw the outside of the jaw. Starting on the left, cut this down and then in. Just going to follow the curve of the mouth, coming down towards the chin. Round out the chin. Now it's going to add a little bit of fur across the bottom. We're going to go out and down, go across. Let's add another point. Go all the way around the chin and then up. Let's add 2 large fangs across the bottom. Starting on the left, bend this up and in. And again, taper that down. Line it up on the right side. And we're going to add a few teeth across the bottom. Now in the center of the mouth, we're going to add the tongue. So we're going to start with a point right in the middle. Bend the tongue going up and then down in behind the tooth on the left and right side. Continue that curve coming down toward the bottom of the mouth. Let's go back and fill the inside of the mouth in black. Coming down towards the tongue and around the teeth. From the outside of the cheeks, let's draw the side of the neck. We're going to bend this out, come down, and then in towards the bottom. And then from the side of the neck, let's draw the edge of the armor, going out and then down. Now in between, just underneath the chin, we're going to add one more curve. Coming down from the left, in behind the chin, continue up on the right. Let's move back up and draw the top of the shoulders. Starting from the side of the head, and it's out and then down. Now I'm going to switch to my thinner black marker and add those spots across the head. Let's start from the left side. Now these spots are a lot larger on the outside, and they get smaller as you come in. And you want to vary the size of these spots. And use that same marker to add a few whiskers on either side, coming down. And then along the base of the neck, we're going to add that fur edge. So starting on the left, we're going to bend this up, down, and then up. Let's bend in the opposite direction and work our way in towards the chin. Let's finish off with a few more details, and always be sure to sign out artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Armor King from Tekken. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.